Welcome to this week's edition of Immunology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Bambusa has made significant progress with its dual bispecific antibody programs targeting inflammatory diseases. The company dosed its first patient in the Phase 1 BBT-002 trial, aimed at addressing respiratory and gastrointestinal inflammation. Additionally, the U.S. FDA has cleared the investigational new drug application for BBT-001, following earlier progress in Australia. Both candidates show promise for treating inflammation across multiple organs. In a major win for Crohn's disease patients, the UK's National Institute for Health and Care Excellence, or NICE, has recommended mirikizumab for moderate to severe cases. This approval is specifically for patients who are unresponsive or intolerant to other biologics. Mirikizumab demonstrated 45% remission at 1 year in a Phase 3 clinical trial. The treatment will be accessible across England within 30 days of the final guidance. PhotoPill has launched a clinical trial in Israel for its novel IBD-Cap capsule, designed for Crohn's patients. The capsule delivers light therapy directly to inflamed sections of the intestine. Drug-free and non-invasive, the device aims to manage flare-ups while minimizing side effects and improving quality of life. Entera has published compelling preclinical data for ebersodabart, its candidate for ulcerative colitis. The findings identify TMEM219 as a key driver of inflammatory bowel disease through the mechanism of stem cell death. By blocking the IGFBP3 and TMEM219 interaction, researchers restored mucosal healing in patient-derived models. These results support the ongoing Phase 1b clinical trial in ulcerative colitis patients. The World Health Organization has officially declared skin disease a global public health priority. A resolution passed at the 78th World Health Assembly highlights the urgent need for improved care for over 2 billion people affected worldwide. This marks a turning point, empowering advocacy groups to push for stronger national healthcare responses. Recludix and Sanofi are jointly advancing an oral STAT-E6 inhibitor, known as REX8756, for inflammatory conditions. Preclinical models have shown complete inhibition of the STAT6 pathway. The program triggered a $50 million milestone payment following the successful completion of toxicology studies. An investigational new drug filing is expected in late 2025, with potential applications in asthma and dermatitis. Leo Pharma has initiated a Phase 2a trial to test delgocitinib cream for chronic palmoplantar pustulosis, or PPP. This pan-JAK inhibitor cream has already been approved for chronic hand eczema. The study will enroll up to 135 patients across North America and Europe. Kamari Pharma has raised $23 million to further develop its TRPV3 inhibitor, KM023, for rare skin disorders. The candidate is now entering Phase 1b trials for Olmsted syndrome, a condition marked by severe keratoderma and ichthyosis. The study results are expected by the end of the year. Investment was led by BRM Group and Pontifax. Finally, in a major biopharma move, Sanofi is set to acquire Blueprint Medicines in a $9.5 billion deal focused on immunology. This acquisition brings Ayvakit, the only approved therapy for systemic mastocytosis, into Sanofi's portfolio. It also includes pipeline candidates elenestinib and BLU-808. The deal is expected to close in the third quarter of 2025, supporting both strategic and financial goals. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.